Dear students, we are going to see the dimensional analysis today. Dimensional analysis is a very impressive tool in physics to know the consistency of a given equation, a given formula. Since we are having two kinds of unit, fundamental unit and the derived unit. In dimensional analysis, we use the fundamental units and express our physical quantities in terms of those. You know that you are having 7 kinds of fundamental quantities. Their names are length, mass, time. These 3 are very basic. Then comes your current, angle, temperature and your luminous intensity. These are 7. We have talked in the previous classes that fundamental quantities are those quantities which are very much fundamental in nature. That means what? They cannot be expressed. मतलब कि these physical quantities which are fundamental, they cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. Rather, the quantities which are not fundamental, they can be expressed with the help of the fundamental quantities. For example, we are having a fundamental quantity length. You can see on the board length. Length has unit meter, and we write the dimensional formula as this bigger bracket, and inside this bigger bracket we write it as capital L. Please follow that this is the standard notion which we are using. And a meter will be like this, more visible, and a unit is meter. First fundamental quantity. Next one is our mass. Its unit is kg, and this is expressed as m. Mass, length, and then third is your time. Its unit is second, and it is expressed as capital T. Length, mass, time. Dear students, we will first see these, and then we will move forward to see the other. We will first see these, and then we will move forward to see the other physical quantities. How we are going to see? Let us ponder over it. Look over it. Huh? See, we are having these 3 physical quantities. Let us see the very basic physical quantity which are there in your mind. So these are the fundamental quantities. Now we should go towards the derived quantities. Very first quantity which comes in your mind is speed. Speed barabar, you all know speed, na? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Now you know that distance is measured in what? Length, because distance is length. Therefore, distance is equal to this L, and this time is this upon T. Time is this T. So your speed. You can see that this speed can be written as, this speed is equal to L T minus 1 in bigger bracket. Got my point? This is the way to write the dimensional formula. आप देख रहे हो बच्चा कि ये लेंथ और टाइम का रेशियो है. स्पीड क्या है? एक derived quantity है. Let us take another example, है ना. We are very much aware about the force ना. Force is equal to, you know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. ठीक है. That is F is equal to m into a, and you are knowing that this acceleration is nothing but rate change of velocity. That means velocity upon time. This you are all knowing, है ना. Nothing new I am telling you, है ना, because we are very much knowing this from class 9th onward. Now, how to write the dimensional formula of force? Let us make an attempt. This mass is equal to capital M, like this. This velocity is equal to L, है ना. L and अभी निकाले आप लोग हैं L into t की power -1, and this time is again t. Dear students, you can see that this force is nothing but, now this force can be written as, this force is now equal to, है ना, this force is now equal to m L and t raised to power -2. So you got the formula of force as m L t -2. This is the dimensional formula of force. This is the dimensional formula of force. Got my point? See, like this we can also write. Let me help you with some more quantities. Suppose we are having work. Now, what is work? You all know that work or energy are similar quantities, है ना. See here, work is equal to force into displacement. Got now? So this W is equal to, this force is what? Just found out, mLt -2, and this displacement is what? Again a length, so it will be L. So W will be nothing but m L2 t -2. Let us see one more quantity. Pressure. Pressure is there. See here, pressure. Pressure is there. Pressure is equal to what? Can you help me with pressure? Pressure is force upon area. Force upon area. So this force is what? m L t -2. अभी आपने देखा है, and this area is what? L square. Dear students, don't forget to put this bracket, because this bracket is very much important, है ना. This bracket is very much important. So this pressure is again equal to now m L -1 t -2. So we got the formula of pressure. So there are various ways, है ना. We can always find the different formula, है ना. We can always find the different formula. See, dimension form analysis not only give us the clear-cut formula, but it helps us to know the consistency of a given equation. Okay? It also helps us in knowing the consistency of a given equation. This we will be seeing right now. Wait for few seconds.